Prince Charming Bird said,
Hark! I hear a young lad in distress in yon apartment.
Yeah, me too. Well, I better go help him.
Oh, no. This is a job for Prince Charming Bird. I'll ride to the rescue on my horse, big fella.
No! I'll go.
No, I'll go.
No, I'll go.
I'll go.
I'll go.
I'm the one that's going.
stress.
Now?
Yes,
Oh.
now!
I am not so sure I am special. I mean, that young lad told me to squeeze my nose, and I don't have a nose that I can squeeze. I have a beak I can squeeze, but is that the same? So, am I special or am I not special? That is the question.
Prince Charming Bird thought he understood what the smart frog sang about, but he was still puzzled.
Boy, am I puzzled. I mean, it's all well and good if you're green, but what if you were yellow or blue? Are you special then?
But before Princess Grouchy could say, Prince Charming Bird finally understood, and he said,
I finally understand. It doesn't matter if you have a beak or a nose, or if you're yellow or green or blue. Whatever you are, you're special.
to which Princess Grouchy replied.
I knew that.
Prince Charming Bird was very happy now, just being who he was. He shouted to the rooftops.
Oh, joy! Oh, happiness! I am so very happy. You are looking at the face of one very happy Prince Charming Bird.
Okay, knock it off. That's enough happy.
But the prince couldn't stop. He was so happy about being himself that he decided to magically draw a picture of his happy face. His crown, his feathers, one eye, his other eye, the top of his beak, the bottom of his beak, more feathers. Not wanting to be outdone, the princess drew a picture of her grouchy face. Faces became very popular all over the kingdom. So popular that some people put on a pace pageant down at the palace.
Pace pageant?
Face pageant.
What's a pace pageant?
Then all of a sudden, Prince Charming Bird realized something.
Gee, I just realized something. We've spent a lot of time talking about our faces, but we're forgetting the other parts of our bodies that are important too.
For once, Princess Grouchy agreed with the prince.
Hey, Prince,
What?
I agree with you.
And so did the rest of the kingdom. One little person climbed to the top. The smart frog talked about a hand. 4 scarecrows sang a song about the ankle, shoulder, and the knee. The other parts of the body were finally recognized.
And it's about time.
Yeah.
But something was bothering Princess Grouchy. And when something bothered her, she said what was on her mind.
That's right. And what's on my mind is that a person is more than just face and legs and toes and arms and feet. What about what's inside, huh? You bet I'm not. I mean, there's a lot of real important things inside a person that you can't see with a machine.
Like what?
Feelings like happiness and sadness, anger and love. They make a person a person. And there's all the things you can do inside your head, like imagining and remembering and learning.
Oh, thank you, Princess Grouchy, for helping me learn all about myself. Would you like to ride off into the sunset with me on my horse?
And Princess Grouchy said,
No way! I don't like sunsets, but I could use a lift to the junkyard.
Oh, then hop on.
Oh, okay.
and I'm glad I